Hello everyone, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Welcome to Masala Chai Media, Learn Kannada through English series. As I always say, if you haven't watched my previous videos, please do watch that and come to this video because it is very easy to pick up this content if you know the previous content. In this video, we will be covering how to converse with strangers or any gatekeepers of office or apartment. So, to continue learning, I would recommend you to watch the previous videos first to learn the basics of Kannada, and then you can come to this video. Without any further delay, let's see how we can converse with strangers or any gatekeepers of apartments or office. So when you meet strangers, how do we start our conversation? First we will introduce ourselves and then we will ask the details about them, right? So let's say I say that I am Jyoti, what's your name? Or my name is Jyoti, what's your name? So that's the most first sentence that we ask for strangers. So for that you can say I am or my name is, Nanna hesaru Jyoti, Nimma hesaru enu. So what's your name? Nimma hesaru enu. But when we talk, you can just say nimdu or yours, we ask, right? So nan hesaru Jyoti, nimdu or nimma hesarenu. So hesaru is name, enu is what, okay? So nimma hesaru enu. Then mostly they will reply with their names, like again nanna hesaru so and so. So mostly next question will be which is your native place, or you will ask where are you from. So for this particular thing you can ask Nimma uru yavudu, or native will be Swanta, Nimma Swanta uru yavudu. So uru, as we have discussed, it is either it can be city or place. So if you observe Bengaluru, Mangaluru, these all ends with uru, right? So it is nothing but cities or place. So you remember this uru. So Nimma uru yavudu. Yava is which, yavudu is which one. Like you were expecting one particular answer out of it. So which is your native place? Nimma uru yavudu. Yavudu is which. So reply would be I am from Bangalore. You are from, or my place is Bangalore, and what's your place? So how do I say it in Kannada? Nanna uru Bengaluru. So avoid using Bangalore. So I suggest you can start using Bengaluru. So I say Nanna uru Bengaluru, Nimma uru yavudu. Nimma is yours, uru yavudu again. So if you observe here, the question will have the direct answer. Just you have to replace one simple sentence like Nimma uru yavudu, Nammuru Bengaluru, like this. When you ask back, the most of the sentence would remain same. Instead of Nanna, Nimma, it gets replaced. So Nanna uru Bengaluru, Nimma uru yavudu. So they will reply with their place same again. Maybe Namma uru Mangaluru, or Namma uru some other district altogether, or some other state altogether. So after that you are curious to know what they work, right? So what is your profession or work? In Kannada we ask Nimma Udyoga enu. Udyoga is proper profession. Like for a word profession you can say Udyoga, or work you can say Kelasa. Nimma Kelasa enu. What is your work? Nimma Kelasa enu. What is your work? So what is your profession? Nimma Udyoga yavudu. So yavudu is again which is your profession again, but we mostly say what is your profession, and answer in Kannada it would be Nimma Udyoga yavudu or Nimma Udyoga enu. Both are right sentences, and mostly reply would be, let's say I am software engineer. You are into which profession? So ನಾನು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? You are into which profession? You are into will be dalli. Udyoga is profession, udyoga dalli. You are into profession will be udyoga dalli. If you want to say I am into photography, ನಾನು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಫಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. I am into art, ನಾನು ಆರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿದಲ್ಲಿ how to use you can observe here. You are into which profession, ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಉದ್ಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, so if you want to answer I am into software, ನಾನು ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಕೀಪರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎನಿ ಅದರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್, ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರೈಟ್? ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಬಾ ಈಸ್ ಕಮ್, ಬಂದ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್. And the same sentence if you want to ask why did you go there, ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರಿ. So we are asking here why did you come here, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರಿ. So mostly your answer would be that I came here for interview or I came here to meet someone, right? So I came here for interview, ನಾನು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗೆ I came here for or interviewಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Here if you observe I told for you have to use K, right? So when you convert interview in Kannada you can use like ಸಂದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ, right? So when you are using English word interview you have to say interviewಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Okay, so interview in Kannada will be ಸಂದರ್ಶನ. So full sentence would be ನಾನು ಸಂದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾನು ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಕೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ ಆರ್ ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಐ ಕೇಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ friend is ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ or ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ. So ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ is for guy friends or ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ is for girlfriends. So if you want to use ಸ್ನೇಹಿತ or ಸ್ನೇಹಿತೆ is also fine. You can say that ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. I came here to meet my friend, ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತನನ್ನು ಭೇಟಿ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಆರ್ ನಾನು ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಲೀನಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ they might ask your ID proofs, right? So they'll ask show me your PAN card. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಶೋ ಈಸ್ ತೋರಿಸು, ಶೋ ಈಸ್ ತೋರಿಸು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ಆರ್ maybe it can be any other cards or ID cards. ನಿಮ್ಮ ID ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ತೋರಿಸು, ತೋರಿಸಿ. ತೋರಿಸಿ is with respect. ನಿಮ್ಮ ID ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Again you will show ನೋಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ is see. You are showing the PAN card or any your ID card. So you are saying see. Okay, that will be ನೋಡಿ. Or take. You are giving it to him. So ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Your reply would be either ನೋಡಿ or ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ is take. Maybe if they are taking it for print, Xerox or something. So ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then he will advise you where to go, right? So he might say, okay, go that side. ಸರಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. He'll just show go that side. ಸರಿ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. That will be ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Okay, go this side. Something which is near. So ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸರಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. He might show you the directions. So then you will say thank you, or in Kannada it will be ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Then you'll leave that place. I hope this particular video helped you to talk with strangers, that how we can ask their name, place and the purpose of visit. If you like this video or content, please do like, share and support this channel. Happy learning. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.